your girl Crystal, and I'm back with another mukbang. What's up, y'all? Okay, so today we're having crab legs and some fried sausage, smoked sausage, and some butter sauce. The nice about this butter sauce is I really do not know. Oh, we got all this sausage put together. Yeah. So we about to get right into it because I'm hungry. But this butter sauce, it's good because I doctored it up, but. I gotta put y'all hot sauce in it because y'all know hot sauce got vinegar and stuff in it. But the butter I used didn't taste like butter. Like, I don't know, I got it from Sam's Club, that unsweetened sweet corn butter. So, because most time, you know, if you have a butter sauce, you just put butter, garlic, and like a little bit of seasoning, you get to roll. Like, yeah, y'all, we about to act like we got the red lobster, the gourmet red lobster. Because you know, red lobster does not have as much seasoning on their stuff. I've been wanting crab legs, y'all. I'm so used to making butter sauces. I made another butter sauce that I'm gonna eat with something else on accident. I wasn't trying. I'm so used to just making like the butter sauce with all the stuff in it. It was good, but I wanted just like more like regular butter and garlic this time. Yeah. What is up? I'm sorry if I hear the lawnmower out there. I forgot. This is time. Kind of like a whistle. I forgot this is time they need to come. Hopefully it's not too loud. Good. I have not had snow crab in forever. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like. So y'all, I did it this different this time. I put it in the oven. I baked it in the oven. So I never did. I did my king crab in the oven, but I never did this in the oven. It's about to go. Oh, this for you. Oh, this for y'all. Look at that. That's what needed this lemon. But yeah, I never cooked it in a I ain't bring my scissors down. I ain't never cooked it in a snow crab in the oven. I always steam them. Oh, I was watching some videos. That's it. Yeah, yeah. Hold on, I'm getting this side. That's delicious. What was I saying, y'all? Oh, I cooked them in the oven. But anyway, I cooked them in the oven. I bought these bags, oven bags. I put them in there, and they basically like steamed them in the oven. I think that's a go. There you go. And the bag ain't break. Like, I was able to transport the bag in here to put it on here. Cause I just ordered some places. I don't be having places. Cause when I make something, I have to transport it. And all these sauces sometimes. I need a fork. How did I bring a fork here? Yeah, these snow crabs is good. No. A little raggedy, but Yeah. If y'all butter sauce ever don't come out the way you want it to, add a little hot sauce, because you know hot sauce got that vinegar in it. So that vinegar cuts something. Some lemon pepper, some Cajun, some crushed red peppers, and just keep tasting it as you go. But I was like, this is not what I was trying to do at all. Yo, I did not bring a fork. I played myself. We got it, we got it, we got it. Oh my God, I'm so excited to eat these smokers. You don't even know. So good. What's up with y'all? How y'all doing? If you have not already, welcome to any of my new subscribers. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. It's free. Y'all, my voice sound like I better not be trying to. I don't know if it's my allergies or what. I took 3 allergy pills. That's like 3 allergy pills. Yeah, because I don't know. Like I said, remember, I don't know if y'all remember my other video. I said I take allergy pills every day, but I don't know if I'm getting immune to them or what's going on. I wish everybody was here so we could all sit at a table because we in quarantine, but that'll be fun. Sure. So, like I said, y'all, I baked these. I think I'm on to something. It was super easy cleanup. So I'll be cleaning up as I go because when I be that's good. Okay, little epidemic. I mean, epidemic. Well, that's what it's called. Yeah, epidemic sound. Hey, God. So, I was watching Cuzzle AB. I just binge watched a whole lot of people recently, but she was like, just show up. And I felt that in myself because it was like, y'all can do this YouTube. When I say y'all, I started getting ready today. I'm going to tell y'all, it's 1:40 p.m. I don't know what day, what time I'm about to get this. It's 1:40 p.m. I've been up. First of all, I've been up since 1 a.m. Told you my sleep was off, so I've been up all day. So, well, all night. But I think they're here nor there because to me that was my day. But to get this stuff together, it took forever. Like, you know, like rushing because I like to enjoy it when it's ready. You know what I'm saying? Well, I should buy my scissor. Y'all be doing that? Is it making some of y'all cringe? Like, you want to break your teeth? You know, people be like, you gonna bring in? This is good, though. Yeah. I think snow crabs are my favorite, but I do like king crabs, too. Because I feel like snow crab, push come up, I can eat it by itself. But king crab, I don't think I need a sauce. Oh, and that butter sauce I just made, it's a homemade butter sauce. Man, when I say it's gonna be fire on like some more seafood, like mussels and lobster. This I want to just regular butter sauce, but So yeah, y'all. Y'all take that oil on this side, on this lap. I get it off. Hold on. I get it off later, but hold on. I'm gonna get it off now because I'll here. I'm gonna edit that. Like, because I would edit that out, but I really am probably gonna edit that out. But so did I tell y'all this? I cannot remember because y'all know when I come up here, I be just be talking. Like, I try to sometimes think about maybe something I want to discuss, but most of the time I don't have nothing. Especially when you be coming out here, when you become regular. I ain't saying I'm regular. I'm saying, but the more you video. So oh, I was watching this show, Dead to Me. Have y'all seen that? The series? Yeah, I already watched the whole series. It was so good. So you gotta look how it come out in the oven. Y'all see? Hold on. I ain't got what everybody else got. I don't know about the autofocus. I'm gonna have to bring the light with me. Like, too much light, too much light, too much light. Alright. Alright. What I just do? Because I got myself up. Yeah. Yeah, I hope y'all can see it. I'm gonna have to, this is gonna be the close up right here. So tell me, do y'all like snow crabs or okay? So I know okay. Confession. Well, y'all might know this because I'm from the Midwest, but I ain't never had blue crab. Never. Like, used to put me onto it. When everybody said, so it depends on what area you're from. And I was looking at them like, how you eat them? But I said, they say they cheap, but they kind of look expensive because it's a whole crab. But yeah, never had blue crab. Definitely gonna try to. Definitely gonna try to. I'm sorry, y'all. My sincere apologies. Now that grass don't even need to be cut. There. Yeah, I just gotta find the right butter. Let me know down below what butter do y'all use. Cause this is the Sam's Club sweet cream unsalted butter. It's not like the butter, you know what I'm saying? I got some iced tea. But it's not like, my ice is melted. But it ain't like the butter, but I don't know. I don't know if I just got a bad batch. I feel like I've been using that though. But I also been using it with a lot of other flavors, so I probably didn't even notice. So I had to try to make it like a, because I was only gonna put butter, garlic, and a little bit of Old Bay. That's all I was gonna put really for real in it. But the butter was not hitting. So then I had to add some stuff. Look at it, it's a whole, it's good to me though. I added some spices to it. But babe, we can make it work. It's good. That hot sauce I think is really good. That vinegar. And I added some vinegar separately. Another day. I'm not recording. Well, I guess it's a way to get me to shut up, huh? Let me do it like this. I feel like. I want a sausage. Yeah, I see that. They got all that goodness on it. Yeah, I'm getting better when I cook these sausages. Most time whenever I cook these, I be eating them. I ate like 2. I know I do this video. So yeah, y'all, before this, I was watching Key Cam in the Found, right? And it was doing the 10 drumsticks in 15-minute spicy thing. Oh my God. They was killing it though. Man, I was like, Karen, wipe your face. Because he had the sauce. I did that before your sauce. I was like, your face will be on fire. I was talking to the screen, like, wipe your face. Man, his dad was killing it and everything. Like, oh my God. I don't know if I could do that though, because that's a lot of food. Just the fact that they attempted that. Have y'all seen that? That challenge going around? On my 2 times spicy, it's not no joke at all. But I was watching them. I was watching so many mukbangers, and like I just watch YouTube in general. I was watching makeup stuff. Y'all, excuse me. I missed this king. Man, no crap. Tell me how y'all eat y'all snow crab below. Cause I need some more butter sauce recipe. Butter and garlic and Old Bay though is fire. Well, I guess you gotta get the right butter. What about butter is butter though? Like, y'all feel like I've been bamboozled. How I get sweet butter? I mean, you know, from Costco, so I got like 4 blocks of that. You know what I mean? Like, how? How, Slay? How? That's okay. Well, I've been sleeping on the little hip hop little channel on Epidemic. My former apology to y'all, because I be having y'all listen to the same song in my background. Because I hate dead silent. So y'all, let me tell you something. I just got on the app House Party, right? I didn't know people could just come. I told you I just got on there. I didn't know people would just like click in and they be looking at you. So as I was trying to figure out how somebody click in and be looking at me, I'm looking like, so it's like some people on FaceTime somebody. So imagine you looking at me and I'm looking at you, but I'm like looking at my phone like, how you get here? But I'm like, hey, what's up? You know what I'm saying? Like, what happened? But it's fun. It's a fun app. Now that I got used to it, you know, you can sneak into the house party. Y'all know how to do that, I'm sure. Yes. Thank y'all so much for all my love on my last video. I did not even know, because I don't really go back and look at my videos. So like, when I post a video, I kind of just like keep it moving, because I still gotta work and stuff, so I can't. All thing I try to do is go back and comment back to y'all. That's about it. Other than that, I don't really look at the analytics regularly, which I should. I'm just trying to start. But y'all show me love. I don't even know. It was the time I posted. I don't even know. But yeah, y'all, it wasn't until my girl, my sis at Key Deliciousness. Y'all go follow her if y'all have not. And she was like, yeah, your video. But I was reading it, but that's not you doing something. I was reading it and I was about to reply. But then I looked later, I'm like, hold up. I don't get the YouTube algorithm. Like, how do one video do this and another one do this? When I tag them similarly, like, I don't know if it's the time. Excuse me. Excuse me. That vinegar hit like back in my throat. Don't get me wrong. Definitely not being ungrateful. I don't care how they come. I don't care how the views come. We taking them as they, you know what I'm saying, as we get them. But I just wish I could know, so, you could stay consistent with it. But I'm grateful regardless. Ooh, shit. So yeah, y'all, it's official. I want to go to Thailand. So okay, so I'm thinking about vlogging my journeys of food. Okay, let me know what y'all want to see it. Would y'all watch me? Like if I vlog, like if I would go to a food truck or something like that. And go from there. This is like the best sausages ever. But yeah, let me know below if y'all will watch it, like or see. Right? Because now I'm in an Addy, it's so many food. I done saw about 3 food trucks. I saw many. About 3 food trucks. Some I'm sure it's gonna be more food trucks. Because in Cleveland, we had Wadeover. That was on by Euclid Beach. It was depending on that. So when I go back to Cleveland, I still a couple places I wanted to eat at that I did not get to eat at, which I'm gonna eat at when I get back. I'm gonna go visit. Have y'all ever cooked y'all snow crab in the oven? It's my first time, y'all. Am I sleeping on it? Is y'all like, yeah, I've been doing that, sis? Let me know. This is the move. And your whole house will be smelling like seafood. I boil lemons anyway, and I gotta get some cinnamon sticks, but so the house will be smelling like seafood too long, but This is delicious. I'm just happy. So let me tell y'all, I watched Cousin Everything. She was like, just show up, because I'm not saying all this morning. Well, I told you I was up already. I just wasn't feeling it, and it was like gloomy outside. I don't know if I was in my own head or whatever. I just was not. I really wasn't trying to do nothing. It wasn't even trying to do a video. I wasn't even trying to do nothing. But I was like, I said I was gonna do this video, and I told y'all ET, the hip hop preacher, I told him about him, so he got like just texting. So he said basically put yourself on a schedule, act like it's like deadline, this and this and that. So I'm like, all right, okay. My head, I'm like, okay, under the cover though. Under the cover though, I ain't get it yet. But I'm glad I did this video. Y'all know I love y'all. I can't wait to the meet and greet. I'm not gonna meet some of y'all in person. I can't wait to put faces with some of y'all names, like the ones who do be coming in. I'm excited. Like, that'd be so fun. Like, man, we got like some mimosas or something. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Yeah, y'all. When I sit in front of y'all, I just feel happy. I feel at ease. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, I prepare my food off camera, so that's what I do. You know what I'm saying? So, I just feel like everything is a blessing, and I'm just happy to be here right now with y'all. Because it could be worse. That's why I try not to get too down, because it definitely could be worse. You know what I'm saying? What if I had no hair products from my natural hair? But for real though, that's obviously, what's it called? A first world problem, but it's still a problem. I'm just talking y'all already right now. I gotta crack all this stuff open. What I want to know though from one of y'all, anybody, what have you found out about yourself in this quarantine that you didn't realize that you do? That's what I want to know. What like little stuff that you be like, I do that, I didn't know I do that. Like, I need to know that. I want to know. I think it'd be interesting. So leave it down below, please. If you don't mind. I'm excited about the rest of 2020 to be truthfully honest with you. Because I feel like this can kind of restructure stuff. Like, some people who wasn't talking before is talking now. Like, I just feel like you don't never know what it could bring, but it should be cool though. Like, whatever it does bring, right? That's it. Oh my God. Making a mess. Y'all, we back. I'm so sorry you got here all this live morning and stuff. But I don't know. It's kind of my fault because I forgot it was Thursday, but they was when they got. We was super loud. They rolled. Looks like they rolled on my windowsill. Delicious. I mean, I hope y'all can hear me. I swear to God, y'all can't hear me before. Anyway, back to what I said at the beginning of the video. Who has seen Dead to Me? What do y'all think about it? If you found out what they found out, would you ever be able to still be friends with her? But your life is in shambles too, though. Like, I was like, this is crazy. It sounds like Lil Wayne, but it ain't. That's so good, y'all. my bowl. Hold on. My granny. Hey, Granny.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. How you doing?
You at work or home?
I'm at home.
Oh, okay, I got your package.
Did you? Good. Okay, good.
I had to read the directions first.
Yeah.
So, how often do you take it?
I take 2 teaspoons right away because I'm gonna forget later. So I take 2 teaspoons. Period.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So I just take mine. You know. Okay, y'all. Back to our schedule further. It was my granny. I got her some black seed oil. She gonna try it, y'all. I've been taking that in my bones. So what happened was this guy I know, he had coronavirus, and he said he was taking that, Mucinex, and a lot of other stuff. So I started taking that. You know, I be around some of them people. So y'all, I think y'all my joints. You know what I'm saying? I think I'm about to have Megan Thee Stallion out here. Okay, you know, my joints have not been like cracking and popping and pop blocking like that. How they was before. I feel like I can better hear me. These people outside. Let's go to the window. Y'all, I'm so sorry. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna put that part on mute because I was still eating, but I thought he was about to come still near here. Like, sorry. What are you doing? There you go. Maybe I'll send my black seed oil. I got my granny's some too. I ordered me some more, and it does work good. Like, honestly, my bones. I can't compete. How much grass more do you got to do, man? But yeah, so she said she's gonna take it. She take all type of herbal stuff though. I'm not getting for. She'll take it. My other grandma, she don't like nasty taste, so she might not. She might take it one time, and that's it. But my other grandma, this one, she an herbal person, so. To all my MVPs, thank you for watching this fire. Cause I just know it'll be me and y'all here. I know y'all pulled up a play because y'all already know what it is. I ain't got to say it in the beginning. Or do I? Oh, okay. What channel? Hold on. Can y'all hear this? I know the people outside. This song like Busta Rhymes. Let me turn to something else. Hold on. So yeah, y'all. I mean, try that black seed oil if you have not. Tried it. I feel like it helped my joints because y'all. So if y'all want some good workouts, if you like to dance, I'm laughing because I know some of these workouts is funny. You like to dance, you know what I'm saying? You like to shake your booty, you know what I'm saying? I got a couple workouts. I'm trying to do Kiara Lachey on YouTube. She has free workouts. And she been doing lives or whatever. She been having some good workouts on there, like that's like killing, like burning like 600 calories an hour. Yeah, they good workouts though. Get you ready for your hot girl summer. Whatever you gonna do. But if y'all want me to, I can link them below because I do watch them. Because sometimes I don't watch them on my account, but I could put them and link them if y'all want to work out to them. It's that one. So let me tell you all. It's this one good one, this other good one that he got. If y'all like good music, like if you want to feel like you're dancing at a party, right? I got another one that's a good one that my friends told me about. So like that one is a good one. So I could put both of those down there. If y'all interested, if y'all trying to get your workout out. So I'll put you that. I couldn't that below. What we do without our teeth? Can you imagine if we was born with no teeth? Imagine that. No teeth. No steak. We'll be eating our mashed potatoes and gravy. Well, not necessarily, because actually some people gone. It's super hard, because I did see lady and that's how I'm eating an apple for her gun. She busy. I was like, she bit it like it was nothing. I'm like, okay. Yeah. But I hope everybody doing okay, you know what I'm saying? That's about it. I ain't really got nothing else to talk about for real. As the lawman is done. But these crab legs are so good. So on them, I just put like olive oil, butter, smoked paprika. Oh, what's that? You know what else I put? Garlic, parsley. You can do whatever your heart desires. This is good, y'all. I didn't think I was this hungry. Baby. I really did not think I was this hungry, y'all. But I'm going. But yeah, if I haven't tried that, I would say try it. I'll take everything. I'll take allergy pills. I don't know. I was going through it yesterday. I don't know what was going on with me. I ain't had no fever or nothing. I just felt tired. And then my nose was running. I was coughing. So I was like, in my head, I'm like, coronavirus. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, man. But Because he'll take a deep breath and stuff, no problem. You know, I was able to cook all this stuff. I'm still up. I look alive, right, y'all? Or do I look alive, right? Let me know down below, like, really, like, about to kick the butt. No. Let me not play that. I'm goofy, y'all. Don't mind me. Hey, if you can't laugh in this life, the way this life is going, you gonna be a mad, miserable person. We got one left. Should we do it? Why not? If you hear this long, I wish y'all was here so y'all can help me eat this. But if all y'all was here, we have to get what? And everybody who stayed, even if you can't stay any longer, I appreciate y'all time. Y'all know that. Y'all know I rock with y'all heavy. Heavy. And I'm glad I made it on y'all. Because I wasn't having the best day earlier. Like, I don't even know what was wrong. Like, I couldn't even pinpoint it. Like, what was wrong with me. Like, you know. If you can't pinpoint it, somebody's like, how you feeling? You're like, I'm okay, I'm fine. In your head, you like, I'm dying over here. I'm dying inside. Nah, but I'm cool though. Nah, I'm cool. Y'all, I cannot wait to travel. Are y'all waiting on the outside to open up so you can get on the airplane? Or y'all like, too soon? It ain't gonna be too soon for me because if the flights to Miami say $25, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. No luggage. No luggage. I'm just gonna be getting on the plane. I'm gonna be on the escalator on the airport like I'm on the escalator tomorrow. Like, yeah. You know. Miami. Whew. Alright, I am getting full now. I was getting full. I love y'all. Everybody stayed this far, man. Excuse me. Well, take we can get. But yeah, y'all, let me know what this quarantine has showed y'all about yourself that y'all did not know. This quarantine has shown me a lot of stuff about myself. Not so much that I didn't know, but that I knew. I guess I don't know how to describe it. Like, certain stuff you just brush over. You know, then when you got home by yourself, just like, well, let me do this, let me do that. Oh, y'all's getting bare. It's getting bare. I still got a knuckle over there. Been here an hour. How? Yeah, I love my grandparents so much. 'Cause they the ones that made my parents, so you gotta love them. But they also love their grandkids more. You know how that goes. Got more, like more. We can more anyway. I don't have any more grandfathers left, but I got grandma, two grandma. This is so. Red Lobster, you could never be this. Red Lobster, you could never. Don't get me wrong, because Red Lobster, I used to love a lobster and crab stuffed mushrooms. I remember back in the day, it was like $6.99. Then they went up to like $7.99. Then after they went like $8.99. I'm like, bro, that's almost an entree. You are no longer an appetizer. You are a meal. I love those though. I'm gonna learn how to make them. Just to make them, just to try it one day. Mm-hmm. I'm sorry if I meet like a savage novel, but y'all know how we do right now. I'm to the last of the nitty gritty. Not really, but well, yeah. Mm. What are y'all doing today to keep yourself productive? I watch TV. I'm trying to start reading books. I need to be doing some more stuff because I got stuff to be done that I know I want to accomplish. So I gotta stop binge watching. The show did to me was so good, and I stopped watching it. Murder, she wrote, murder. Murder, she wrote, murder, she wrote. Mm-hmm. That's all I got left, y'all. I ate 2 pounds. This is 2 pounds. Murder, she wrote, murder. Murder. That's the win. Mm-hmm. But let's see also. Wait till y'all gotta get fluid Espanol. I'll be making some Spanglish video. I'm gonna teach y'all too, like little phrases. If I get that good. I could barely say it. I can't teach you nothing. You feel me? Yeah. Yes. I'm like, and this elbow's deep. It's so good though. So the baked, this baked situation was a success. I like it. I'll do it again. I put it on 400 for 12 minutes, I think. Or 10. And I kept it in the steam bag closed because I wasn't sure if they were still frozen. So I tried to throw them out. Yes. I sneeze. If you made it this far, y'all about to end the page. Hurry up. Leave me the lobster emoji if you made it this far. The lobster emoji. Alright, so you made it this far. And if you have, I love y'all so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's almost a wrap. You down to the last little. We can't let this go to waste. Oops. Yeah, I don't know why I keep saying that. I done been saying that skirt all day, all week. And my nose. See y'all. I hope I get this. I hope it's not my allergy. I think it is. Maybe I just might. Maybe I just might just need to get that another allergy pill. Oh, I cannot wait to do my next video on that butter sauce. That butter sauce is fire. But this one I just want to be like a more, you know, streamlined butter sauce. Oh my god. I know it's gonna be good. Oh. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. That was so fun, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope everybody's okay. You know, I mean, everybody stay prayed up during this time. You know what I'm saying? That's the only thing you can rely on. It's God right now. It's getting rough. Everybody be stressed. Let me think. That's it. Yeah, I want to try to stay prayed up, stay healthy, take your medicine, take your vitamins, boost your immune system, stay positive, just keep it pushing. We made it to the day. And if you stay here with me, you know I love y'all. Until next time, I love y'all. Bye.